Are you tired of 9 to 5 grind looking for the ways to make money online? Whether you are looking for a side hustle or a full-time income, I've got you covered. In this video, I'm going to share 7 proven ways that can help you to make money online, perfect for beginners. And I will also share with you actionable tips that can help you to get started with each method so you can take your first step toward financial freedom. Let's dive in. The first method to make money online is by freelancing. Freelancing is the easiest way to make money online, especially if you already have a certain soft skill. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer will allow you to monetize your skills by connecting you with people who are looking for your services. Now, here is how to get started with freelancing. The first step to start freelancing is to identify your skill. For you to become a freelancer, you have to have a certain soft skill. Skills like graphic designing, programming, video editing are on high demand. Don't worry if you don't have a certain soft skill. You can go on YouTube and look for free tutorials that will teach you different soft skills. You can learn how to edit videos, how to code. You can even look for other different soft skills which are on demand. Now, the next step after getting a skill or after identifying your skill is to go and create a profile on a certain freelancing platform. After creating your profile, the next step is to apply for those small projects. You have to start with small projects because you are not already experienced, and it will be hard for those people with bigger projects to trust you. After building your reputation by working for people with small projects, you will now start applying for bigger projects where you will start earning more amount of money. Another way for you to earn money online is by creating content on YouTube. Yes, you've heard me right. You can easily make money from YouTube. Don't think that just YouTube money is for those big creators. No, you can also do it. This channel, my channel, is a small one and I'm earning money from it. If you really want to start YouTube, you have to first of all choose your niche. That will be your first step. You have to choose your niche. There are many different niches which are available. Travel, finance, fitness, investing, news. Many different niches which are available, and it's better for you to choose the niche which you are having interest in. The second step after choosing your niche is to go on and start creating content. You have to be consistent on YouTube, and you have to understand that at the beginning it will be hard because you will not have already monetized your channel, and you have to put in more effort for you to monetize your channel. Now, and there are many different ways for you to monetize your channel. You can monetize your channel through sponsorship, through ads, Google AdSense ads. You can monetize your channel through membership. Some people be paying membership fees so that they can be watching your videos. There are many different ways which are out there for you to monetize your content on YouTube. I will be creating more other videos about YouTube, how you can easily grow on YouTube, and that's why you have to smash on that subscribe button. The next way for you to earn money online is by selling courses. There are many platforms out there which can allow you to sell your courses. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, Skillshare, and more others will allow you to prepare some courses and then upload them on those platforms where you will be charging people who want to attend those courses. You can create courses about coding. If you're somebody who is into programming, you can teach people how to code. You can prepare a course teaching people how to edit videos if you are a good video editor. You can make a course teaching people how to do graphic designing if you are a good graphic designer, and you'll be charging a certain amount of money those who want to attend your courses. And the best part about selling courses is it will be a permanent passive income for you as long as people will be interested in learning those courses and ready to pay the fees, whatever amount of fees which you have put on. We keep earning money, and you can even keep creating other courses depending on whatever you know, and you'll be earning much money from your courses. Next up, affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another good way of earning money by promoting products and services. This is good for somebody who is having a YouTube channel or a blog post, or somebody who is having a social media following. This is how to get started with affiliate marketing. The first step is to sign up with an affiliate program. There are many different affiliate programs out there, some of them being ClickBank, Amazon Associates. After signing up with an affiliate program, the next step is to choose products that align with your audience's interest. If you are somebody who is into photography, somebody who creates content about photography, you will choose now those gears which are used in photography. And after choosing those products, you will be given links so that whoever who will buy those products through those links, you will get a commission. Now, after getting those links, you will start now promoting those products through maybe if it's on YouTube, you will be promoting those products through the description. You can even just review those products and then ask your audience to buy those products by passing through those links. This is a good way of earning money because as long as you have put a link down there in the description and somebody is interested in buying the gear and then he buy it through your link, you will be earning money and it will be a passive income for you. The next method to make money online is dropshipping. Dropshipping is the best way to make money online by getting into e-commerce without holding a physical inventory. Yes, you can get into e-commerce without having a physical inventory. Here is how you can start dropshipping. The first step is to go on platforms like Shopify and create your own e-commerce store. After creating your own e-commerce store, you're going to choose a certain product that will be selling. At this time, let's choose maybe hoodies. We'll be selling hoodies on our e-commerce store. After choosing hoodies as your product that will be selling, the next step is to look for a supplier who will be supplying you with hoodies. You're going to go on platforms like Alibaba. On Alibaba, there are many different suppliers who are selling hoodies in bulk. Now, you're going to inform your supplier that you are going to be doing dropshipping so that he or she knows it at the beginning. After setting up your store, have already connected to the supplier, the next is to promote your e-commerce store. You will promote it through Instagram ads, Facebook ads. You can create videos on TikTok that will be reviewing those products and then putting a link in your TikTok bio so that whoever who is interested in that product, he can click on that link, taking him to your store, hence pressing an order. So after promoting your store, you start receiving orders. And you have to remember that if your supplier is selling you a hoodie at $10 each, you will put your hoodie on your store $30 each, which means that whoever who will be placing order from your store will be paying $30 for each hoodie. Now, after receiving some orders, people will be paying $30 for each hoodie. You will now be ordering those products from a supplier where you'll be paying him only $10 for each hoodie. What we do is that we inform the supplier that the product should be shipped to the buyer, not to you. So for instance, somebody who is in South Africa has ordered a hoodie from your store. Now what you are going to do is you are going to go and order that hoodie from your supplier, paying him only $10 and tell him to ship that hoodie to your buyer who is in South Africa. You'll be making a profit of about $20. But you have to remember that during the promotion of your store, you have paid money to Instagram, to Facebook so that they can promote your store. That's how you'll be making money. I have seen many young people making money by doing drop shipping. Yes, you have to know that drop shipping, sometimes you may invest in money in promoting your store and end up not getting orders. That's where you may lose your money. That's why you have to choose a winning product. There is what we call a winning product in drop shipping. It's a product which is being bought, which is being ordered by many people at that time. So I will talk more about dropshipping in the next video, and that's why I want you to smash on that subscribe button. The last but not least way to make money online is by investing. Yes, you can make money by investing into cryptos or stocks. But before you get into investing, you have to educate yourself about whatever you're going to invest in. And you should be aware of scams which are associated with investing, because there are many scammers who are associated with cryptos and stocks. And you should also know that investing is not a get rich quick scheme, because the way you will be investing is you can maybe buy a Bitcoin which is maybe at 60,000 US dollars and hold it for 1 year, and then sell it after 1 year where it will be at 8,000 US dollars, hence making a profit of 20,000 US dollars. But also you should know that the value of a Bitcoin might go down, and then whenever you want to sell it after 1 year, you find that the Bitcoin which was bought at $60,000 will be at maybe $50,000. Yeah, that's why you have to be patient. If investing, you have to be patient and wait for the right time for you to sell. And that's why also you have to look for somebody who is a financial advisor to help you in making a decision about whatever crypto you want to buy or whatever stocks you want to invest in. Yeah, it's better to look for a financial advisor, especially if you are somebody who wants to invest a large sum of money into cryptos or stocks. With that being said, I'm not a financial advisor. This is a disclaimer. I'm just talking this from the knowledge that I've gained from internet. Whenever you want to get into investing, you better look for somebody who is a financial advisor and help you to make a decision about what you can go with. Which of those methods are you most excited to try? Let me know down there in the comment section. And please, if you have found this video helpful, make sure you like it and subscribe for more content about making money online. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Ciao.